School after named Д.Шопоков, age from the fourth quarter, teacher Аденова Гульдана Нурмаматовна. Hello guys, how are you? I am fine, and you? Okay. Now we have theme of the lesson, seasons. Learning objectives. Recognize with separate short basic questions about what something is, pronounce familiar words and expressions intelligibly. Lesson objectives. All learners will be able to name 4 seasons, recognize new words with the help of pictures. Most learners will be able to ask and answer the questions about seasons with support. Some learners will be able to speak about the theme, seasons, and describe the pictures, make up sentence. Okay, students, look at the text. I have text seasons. Winter, spring, summer, and autumn are the seasons of the year. December, January, and February are the winter months. The weather is cold. Usually it snows. The days are short and the nights are long. The rivers and lakes freeze, and we can go skating and skiing. March, April, and May are the spring months. It is a very nice season. The weather is fine, it is warm. There are many green trees in the streets, the parks, and in the yards. Sometimes it rains, but usually the sun shines brightly. The birds return from the hot countries and build their nests. June, July, and August are the summer months. It is hot or warm. The days are long and the nights are short. There are many nice flowers in the parks and squares in the summer. The pupils do not go to school. They have summer holidays. June is the first month of summer. We have the longest day and the shortest nights in the year on the 21st and 22nd of June. July is the middle month of summer. It is hot and sunshine brightly. The sky is blue and cloudless. August is the last summer month. Sometimes it's cold in August. But there are many mushrooms, berries, and fruits. September, October, and November are autumn months. The weather is changeable. It often rains. You can see yellow, red, brown leaves everywhere. It's time to gather the house. Okay, look at the picture. Season change. Now, the rhyme. When spring is here, the world is new. The grass is green, the sky is blue. When summer comes, it's very hot. We can play and swim a lot. The scenes change before our eyes. Each season brings a new surprise. The seasons change, they bring such joy for every girl and every boy. Okay, look, seasons. Spring is a time when children play, flowers bloom, and all is gay. Summer is hot, to stay cool. Everyone wants a dip in the pool. Monsoon clouds filled with rain make you feel cool again. Autumn is short and the leaves begin to fall. Playing in the open is fun for all. Winter is cold. On sunny days, people bask in the sun's rays. Yes, of course. Do you understand? Okay. Seasons and months. Yes, spring, summer, autumn, winter are seasons. And March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February are months in the year. Okay, fill in the gaps. It is what? Okay, it is autumn. The autumn months are the autumn months. Okay, September, October, November. Yes. It is in autumn. It is in autumn. Do you understand? Okay. The sky is cloudy. Okay. The trees and the grass are yes, of course. A school begins in autumn. A school begins in autumn. Okay, you understand? Okay. Now, there are 4 seasons: spring, summer, winter, autumn. The weather changes with these seasons. Yes, of course. Of course. What's the weather like today? Look at the picture. What weather is like today? Maybe I like the sunny. Yes. Maybe the weather is like cloudy. Maybe like you're rainy. Yes. Seasons of the year. Now, winter, summer, fall, spring. You must choose and write. Okay? In it's warm and sunny. In summer, of course, it is warm and sunny. No warm. In spring, it is warm and sunny. Of course, in summer, it's hot and sunny. Of course, it's cool, trees are brown. In winter is cold and it's cool. Fall, in fall it is cool, trees are brown. Okay. In autumn, yes, of course. Word bank: windy, hot, cold, stormy, cloudy. You must find. Okay, look and write. It is sunny. It is stormy. It is hot. It is cold. It is windy. Of course. Seasons. Do you understand? Word search. Seasons. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Yes, of course, you are right. Months. The first months: January, February, March, April, June, July, August, September, October, November, December are months. Yes, you should write. Okay. And days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You are right. Thanks. Okay. And our home task. Your make up sentence with about seasons. Okay. About seasons. Maybe winter, spring, summer, autumn. You should write. For example, I like spring season. Okay. Lesson is over. Goodbye.